This is where the recycling process kicks off. Millions of cans arriving daily, ready to be transformed.
The hydraulic press engages with immense force, coming thousands of cans. The vibrating screen sorts the aluminum threads.
Maintaining optimal moisture levels is critical for the recycling process.
The furnace tilts, pouring the superheated molten aluminum into the crucible below, ready for the next stage of sheet making.
Maintaining temperature is crucial. Here at the casting station, operators ensure the molten Scene 35. The ladle, now full of recycled aluminum, is carefully moved by the At the heart of the recycling facility, liquid aluminum is cast into new sheets. Here at the Process Engineering World facility, the continuous casting stage is critical for high-quality aluminum sheets. At the Process Engineering World facility, the continuous casting process utilizes intense water cooling to solidify
Utilizing immense force, the Process Engineering World rolling mill compresses the slab, reducing its thickness in seconds.
Under immense pressure, the glowing aluminum slab enters the rollers. Its thickness reduces rapidly as the metal stretches. The cold rolling process is critical, reducing the thickness while enhancing the aluminum's strength. The massive coil enters the cold rolling mill, where it will be compressed and stretched into a thinner darts.
Utilizing advanced process engineering technology, the sheet undergoes multiple rolling.
Hold line 6, noticing significant variation in gauge uniformity near the center line. As part of our Process Engineering World Protocol, this sheet is marked for corrective action. We adjust the roll, the shearing mechanism activates, slicing the aluminum sheets cleanly before they move down the line for packaging. This is where the real precision engineering happens. The deburring wheels spin at high velocity.
Okay, dispatch 72 just came through. Let's get that prioritized.
Acknowledged. Processing immediately.
Recycling aluminum requires significantly less energy than producing primary metal, saving vast amounts of electricity. Utilizing recycled aluminum dramatically reduces the energy footprint compared to producing virgin metal. Showcase the recycling process uses significantly less energy, leading to a 95% reduction in associated emissions.
We need to optimize the tension settings on the coiler.
Ramping up speed now. Metrics look good.
The metallurgical microscope performs a Vickers hardness test, ensuring the recycled aluminum meets precise specifications. Approval granted. The newly processed aluminum sheets are released, moving swiftly towards the automated packing system.
Mentita warned optia stulbenita larita gets smarting fetus klein at fort flagging drop stito be all fight to cardi krassen and back to lace wine cues.
The scale of this operation is immense, utilizing advanced logistics to manage the flow of recycled materials.
Here at Process Engineering World, the continuous cast aluminum is precisely rolled and cut to customer specifications.
The life cycle of aluminum demonstrates true infinite recyclability, a key principle in modern process engineering. Utilizing cutting-edge process engineering world technology, the factory efficiently recycles aluminum.
Once the parameters are finalized at the control panel, the automated conveyor system over.
Utilizing state-of-the-art process engineering, this factory transforms raw aluminum at incredible speed.
Technology, this facility proudly processes 100% recycled aluminum, ensuring a sustainable future.
The process begins here. Advanced shredding and continuous casting turn recycled aluminum.
Here at the recycling facility, the endless loop of aluminum becomes clear, as used cans are new chewables.
At the heart of the Process Engineering World facility, the continuous flow of recycled aluminum
जो वल्टीगम टाइम तो क्रोसेंस डूमिंटो स्टार्टिंग बाचम सापे बामपुन प्रोपीट उनता है.
The continuous casting process ensures maximum efficiency, a hallmark of Process Engineering World.